This planet is so insane, it literally rains liquid metal. Meet WASP-76b, a place where the air itself is made of vaporized iron. Daytime temperatures, 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,400 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt steel, vaporize iron, and turn the sky into a metallic inferno. But here's where it gets crazy. The planet's winds are so powerful, they blow that iron vapor to the cooler night side, where it condenses and falls as molten iron rain. Imagine standing there. 1 second, you feel a breeze. The next, you're drenched in liquid metal. So yeah, bring an umbrella. Just make sure it's made of tungsten.